Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainsy. Would you rather? Snacks and junk food edition. Get ready to choose your cravings wisely, and don't forget to comment your answers below. Let's go! Would you rather eat a bagel or a sandwich? Would you rather have pizza or a hamburger? Make your choice. Would you rather Swedish fish or goldfish? What sounds better to you? Would you rather drink orange juice or mango juice? Pick your favorite. Would you rather eat rice or noodles? What's your pick? Would you rather drink Coca-Cola or iced tea? Got any ideas? Fries with ketchup or fries with mayonnaise? Tell me in the comments what you chose. Would you rather eat pancakes or crepes? I can't decide. McDonald's or Burger King? What's your pick? Would you rather have ice cream or yogurt? Make your choice. Milkshake or hot chocolate? You can only pick one. Would you rather have chocolate or candy? I prefer candy. What about you? Would you rather eat fruits or vegetables? Strawberries or raspberries? Pick your favorite. Apples or pears? Pizza Hut or Domino's? I seriously can't decide. Sweet popcorn or salty popcorn? Would you rather eat sausages or a hot dog? I prefer sausages. What about you? Omelet or fried eggs? You can only choose one. Red Bull or Monster? That was deliciously fun. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next on Brainsy. See you in the next challenge.